Okay, now after creating the database, we are going to set a password for the root user of the database. So what we have to do, we have to alter the user and we have to we're going to set up a password for the MySecretPWD. You can give any password based on your project requirements or whatever you prefer. So right now we are going to do the MySecretPW. After that, we're going to flash the privileges to apply all the changes. So let's just do that. So further, what I have to do, I have to alter user. Okay. So for that, I have to alter then user. Then I have to specify the username, which is the root, and it's working on the local host. So it will be from the local host. Then after that, we have to give the password. So given the password, I can identify it, identified by, then I can give the password. The password where we can give, let me just show you. So this is a two-tier application. And if I go to the two-tier v2, changing the branch, then if I go to my backend, go to the environment file. In here, I can see our, let me just, okay. So you can see we have MySQL host, MySQL user, which is root, and MySQL password, and MySQL database, which is called two-tier. We created that database, the two-tier. Now we're going to set up the password, the MySQL, MySecretPW. Just copy this, go to the instance, paste it in here. Okay, so after that, if everything looks good, with the semicolon and hit enter. Okay, everything looks good. Now we have to flash privileges to apply the changes. For that, flash privileges, enter. Okay, so everything is okay. So that's how you're going to I didn't what is it called? Wait, got this one. Okay. So that's how you're going to set a password for the root user of the database.